Hi, it's TR back with another episode in the Truck Camper Renovation Series, and today I'm going to be finishing up this corner. And as you can see, I'm well ahead of where we are in that video putting this corner back together. I mean, you're getting kind of a sneak preview of things to come. But in this episode, I'm going to finish putting all this back together, getting this all sealed up. This was a plenum, and so it took special care. So we're going to go ahead and get started with that. Okay, so I'm ready to start putting this back together. The reason I'm slowing down here a little bit is because I want you to know this is a plenum. It needs to be sealed. There could be combustion gases, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and various things generated by this fridge when it's running on propane. Because of that, there's a line of caulking, what used to be caulking, that was underneath that sheet that I took off of here. And so I need to replace that. I also want to replace it underneath this sheet here. So under this sheet here, I'm going to run down this seam here and replace all the caulking in there as well. Okay? And that'll seal it up. So now I'm just going to blow this out. Alright, I got to fix my screw up. I got in a hurry yesterday. I didn't check my picture, so I have to remove this board and fix it. It's not in the right place, and I should have known it yesterday when I first put it up, but it was late in the day. That's my excuse. I'm sticking with it. Now that I'm through dropping everything, I guess I got that cleaned up. Now I'll fix it right. First thing I need to do though is I got to get the height of this. Okay, that's reading 14 1/8. Let's go 59. 14 1/8 by 59. All right. Cut a panel here. Okay, 14 1/8. And 59. 59. Now, the reason I was in such a hurry to get this cut is I want to get it primed and painted because I'm going to paint it white. Alright, it's a new day. I'm back with more framing. I only had a couple hours to work on it yesterday. I had other things going on. So today I'm going to finish framing in this window. There's a window that goes right here that's 18 inches by 23 3/4. 28 3/4, check me. And I have my dimensions right here. 18 1/8 by 28 3/4. Get my glasses off. These are prescription and I can't see with them. 28 3/4. How come my thumb always ends up on 28 3/4? So that's the edge of the window there. Alright, so here's the window. There's actually corners that go in here, these plastic corners. They look like this, they fit in here like this. And so that'll help me with my radiuses. But I won't be cutting this out anytime soon. What I am going to do though is go ahead and frame this in. So the actual window sits on the bottom here. And the side of it sits here. So I need another member here and another member here, and those were both 1x4s if memory serves. I got to look at the drawings. All right, I already lost my pencil, damn it, but there's a 1x4 it sits up here, and then 1x2 framing. There's like 2 of them in there. I'll just split the difference between those 1x2s there, and we should be good to go. So what I need to do is I need to cut a 1x4. I believe it should be 28 3/4 long. 28 3/4. So 1x4 by 28 3/4. And then over here, 32 1/4. So you can see this is pretty straightforward, really. You know, I just put a little, this is just liquid nails on the back, and then we want to do both the ends. The tricky part's not getting it on yet. So that's basically the framing process. Well, we're making some slow, steady progress, but as you can hear, there's a thunderstorm rolling in, so I'm hurrying up and trying to get everything kind of packed up and put away. to protect it from the rain. And we'll pick this up again on the next episode when we continue with the rebuild on the front. If you like what you saw, give me that thumbs up. Always appreciate that. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Ring the notification bell. A lot of videos still to come on this truck camper rebuild. If you'd like to support the channel in another way, you can do so by visiting my Amazon store. There's a link in the description below. If you enter Amazon through my link, anything you purchase, I will get a small commission on. You'll pay the same price, and trust me, every little bit helps. But it's really starting to let go, so I better hurry and go. Thanks for watching. I sure do appreciate it. Until we get together for another truck camper renovation video, peace. Uh-oh, I may have gone too long. Bye.